Myself, Dr. Sarbisani. Hope you are doing great. As you already know, with my face completely smiling, and I am very happy to read all your messages, all your reviews regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling and the guidance, even the separate paid guidance and everything. And not even a single student is left behind, like he or she is not having a seat. Whosoever come and discuss the case, not even in just WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling, but also who are connected with me on Instagram, who are having just the call facilities only, they want to connect on call only, those also got the seat. So almost every student who has discussed their case with time to time and stay connected till the end will already got the seat in NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Thank you for the lovely reviews and heartiest congratulations to all the NEET MDS aspirant 2023 who got the seat till now. Are always with you. I am there to help you even in your MDS journey by a new feature which is absolutely free for my particular students, that is regarding the MDS expert advice group, which you already know that I have talked about it earlier also. Now the most important thing is, main question is what next in the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Although I am fabricating this video on 8th October 2023, so as a present scenario, tomorrow will be the Rajasthan offline third round, like mop-up round counseling, followed by Karnataka mop-up round is still left, right? And AP is also having some rounds left for the counseling. Except all these states, if you talked about like how many branches are left in different states, nearly on an average, we are left with OP, OMR mostly, and a very few numbers of perio or pedo somewhere somehow in a very far places, right? So we need to come across this stuff. Those who didn't get the seat in any round, they can participate in the All India stray vacancy round. But my point of concern is just only one thing: whether you want to take the seat or you want to take a drop, that is purely your decision. You need to decide it yourself. You want to, compromise with the college, you need to compromise with the branch, or just you need to compromise with the year drop. So that is a complete scenario which is there with the left out students who didn't get the seat like anywhere, right? And for that I request you all that it's my humble request, at least if you are quitting from the NEET MDS 2023 counseling, at least discuss your case with me once, so that I can guide you very well. And even not, if you are not willing to, just discuss with me, discuss with any other one, but at least you should discuss. That is the most important thing. Now, without wasting time, let's see the reviews which are coming from your side, and that too from the different parts of the India as a NEET MDS aspirants review. Here we go.